Hello and welcome to ETI4448. The course project is a major component of ETI4448 and ATG4950. This session will address the course project guidelines and requirements. The course project is a group project that will provide a hands-on experience working in teams and building physical, tangible product. Once your team is formed, a discussion area will be created for each team for file sharing and meetings. Start communicating with your team members as soon as possible. Assign a leader to your team. The leader position or the leader role is to coordinate activities, coordinate communications, schedule meetings, and supervise project execution. The team will have the choice to select an idea from the list of suggested ideas, an idea suggested by a faculty, or the team own idea if it's feasible and can be done within a 2 semesters period. The course project will be divided into 3 separate assignments. Each one of these assignments will address certain requirements. Although it will be collaborative teamwork, every team member or every member in the team should submit his or her own copy of the group assignment. Points will be deducted for failing to submit your own copy of the project assignment. The group assignments should be in Microsoft Word or PDF format. The group assignment naming format should be PA14448, last name, and points will be actually also deducted for improper naming format. So make sure to have the assignment number underscore the course number underscore your last name as a file naming format. The project report should be submitted with the proper grammar and correct spelling. You can use the College Writing Center and the College Writing Center can assist you in writing the group report. This course uses all the knowledge gained from other engineering and general courses. It will utilize the team members' skills to communicate, collaborate, and generate a new product. You need to research, develop, design, and create a prototype. You can select a faculty advisor to assist you in the design and development process. You need to search the internet for similar ideas or similar products. You need to find alternative solutions, research the different material that can be used to build your product and design your product according to customers' specifications. Part of your teamwork is to compare the specifications and functions of existing products with the specifications and functions of your developed product. If your product does not have any match in the market, that will be fine. Just compare with any other similar area for that product. For example, car accessories, if it's accessories for the car, then compare with other car accessories that will be used for this purpose. Identify activities required to build one unit. Measure the duration of each activity. Identify the resources needed to build one unit. And identify the costs associated for building that one unit. The course lectures will assist in understanding the process of product design and development. In addition, the lectures will assist in identifying scope of the project and in learning the process of planning to build the actual product. The planning will include creating the schedule and sequence of activities required to design, develop, and test the prototype. The faculty advisor and I will assist you in the process of creating the plan, executing the plan, and monitoring the progress of creating the prototype. You can use drafting and design software to develop the prototype design up to scale and according to specification. The college has AutoCAD or SolidWorks to use to develop the design, or you can download Inventor for Education to create your own design. I will assist you to plan for executing the idea by identifying the activities needed to finish such a product. The developed design can be 3D printed in the college. Just send the STL file that you created by the drafting and design software. Send it to me and I will print it through the college 3D printers. We can use either APS or PLA plastic to print these designs. The prototype will be tested in the second semester of senior design and will be adjusted based on results from that test and the feedback that will be given at the end of the first semester when you present your prototype. The developed prototype will be presented at the end of this semester, so you need to finish a prototype by the end of this semester. Again, I will give you a feedback. The committee that you will be presenting for will give you a feedback. You will adjust that based on the feedback and based on the testing that you will perform at the beginning of the second semester. In this slide, you can see some examples of prototypes that were created using the 3D printer. Look at the level of details that can be made using these printers. So you have the choice of building the prototype through the printer, or you can use any components that you have in your garage to build a proof of concept for that product. The best about the 3D printing that you can adjust the dimension and reprint again and again until you get the correct dimensions. A final prototype should be built using the feedback from the first semester, as I said, and the testing, the initial testing for the initial prototype, so you can change the iteration until you get to the final one. Once you have the prototype finalized or the product finalized, then you can identify product components and you can select your suppliers for these components. In each step, you can ask for help. So when you ask me for help, I will let you know what will be needed for that step or for that phase, what do you need to do and how to do it. So you will be guided through the whole 2 semesters if you come and ask for help or ask for resources or anything that you need for the project. To organize your project and manage the different processes, you can use project management tools or software such as Microsoft Project, and you can also use Microsoft Visio. Those two software packages are provided by the college for free. So you can just submit your name to Michelle Belfort. She will add you to the list of students for the college, and you can download the software and install it on your machine for free. You can also use any cloud-based project management and graphical tool. You don't have to worry about these two packages. So if you don't need to, if you don't want to download these two, if you don't have the time, you can, or you did not receive any communication from Michelle, don't worry about that. You can use any software on the net to assist you with the project management and the graphing. The offer, actually the internet offers many free software packages to do that. The teamwork requires lots of communications through the semester. When you communicate, describe your situation to your teammates, but stay connected, stay on top of your assignments, stay participating in the project assignments and in your part of the project assignment and assignment submission. So make sure that whatever your situation is, at least to stay in touch with the team and to work with them on the project. Each member in the team will evaluate other team members. The peer evaluation will affect your final grade. So participating in the team project is very important. Remember that your team will move with you to senior design 2, so it's the same team. So you have to work with the team so you can be successful not only for senior design 1 but also for senior design 2. You will not be able to take the final exam until you finish the peer evaluation activity for that semester. That will be all for this session. If you have any questions, please let me know and have a great day.